Hey guys, so you may recognize these posters from the classroom because these are the basic troubleshooting tips and tricks to try when you're struggling with something not working on your MacBook. Okay, here are the four main things. Force quit the app, clear the history, update the kiosk, and restart the Mac. Those are the four main things. So I'm going to show you how to do all four of those today very quickly, not hard at all, okay? First of all, we're inside of Google Chrome right now. That's the app we're using, okay? All you do to force quit an app is, I'm sorry, we're inside QuickTime Player because I'm doing a screen recording. All you do is go up to the name of the app in the upper left-hand corner and click quit. And that's it. It'll quit it, okay? It's not good enough just to minimize it. You have to quit it, okay? So that's how to force quit any app you're in, okay? Whatever app it is, just go to the top of its name and click quit. The second thing is to clear your browser history. To do that, you would come up to these three dots right here. You would go to history and you would click on history. Also, there is a quick keystroke to do, Command Y. Okay, this will come up and you just go here to clear browsing data and clear as much of it as you can. Okay, you should just do all time and just click clear data. Okay, after that, excuse me, update kiosk. That's right up here, your little red flag right there. Click on client info. And right here, it'll say server connection connected. If it says no updates, there are none. If it says updates, give it a few seconds until it says no updates again, and it'll update. Okay? And finally, restart your Mac. Okay? Come up to the Apple right up here in the upper left-hand corner on any screen. Go to the Apple and click restart. All right? Hope this helps.